The automotive world is no stranger to bold ideas, but every once in a while a vehicle comes along that completely changes the conversation. The 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 6 is exactly that kind of machine. Built to dominate terrain that would stop ordinary trucks in their tracks, this six-wheeled monster combines Toyota's legendary reliability with an aggressive design and extreme off-road capability. It's a vehicle that looks like it belongs in a futuristic action movie, yet it carries the engineering confidence that Toyota has built its reputation on for decades. At first glance, the EMBERHORN 66 commands attention with its massive stance and intimidating proportions. The extended chassis creates an unmistakable presence on the road, while the six-wheel configuration instantly sets it apart from anything else in Toyota's lineup. The front fascia features a bold grille design, sharp LED lighting signatures, and muscular fenders that emphasize its rugged character. Every angle of the truck showcases strength, from the reinforced skid plates to the widened wheel arches, designed to accommodate massive all-terrain tires. The elevated ride height not only enhances its appearance, but also provides exceptional ground clearance for tackling the toughest environments imaginable. Moving around the vehicle, the attention to detail becomes even more impressive. Heavy-duty side steps provide easier access to the cabin, while integrated cargo solutions add practical functionality. The rear section is engineered for adventure, featuring a versatile bed capable of carrying equipment, camping gear, or work-related cargo. Whether crossing desert dunes, climbing rocky trails, or exploring remote wilderness areas, the EMBERHORN 626 looks prepared for any challenge. Inside, Toyota has blended rugged durability with modern comfort. The cabin offers premium materials, advanced technology, and a driver-focused layout that feels both sophisticated and practical. Large digital displays provide instant access to navigation, vehicle information, and entertainment functions. The infotainment system supports seamless smartphone connectivity, ensuring drivers stay connected wherever their journey takes them. Comfortable seating with premium upholstery makes long-distance adventures more enjoyable, while ample interior space gives passengers room to relax even during extended trips. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated throughout the cabin, making it easy to organize gear and personal items. Advanced driver assistance technologies add another layer of confidence, including adaptive cruise control lane, keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and multiple camera views designed to help navigate challenging terrain. The result is a cabin that feels equally comfortable on city streets and remote backcountry trails. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 66 is expected to deliver serious performance. A powerful twin-turbocharged engine provides impressive horsepower and torque, while an advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction in virtually any condition. The addition of a third axle significantly improves load carrying capability and enhances stability over rough surfaces. Specialized suspension components absorb impacts with ease, allowing the truck to maintain composure even when crossing harsh terrain. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the vehicle's advanced terrain management systems, selectable drive modes, locking differentials, and sophisticated traction controls. These features work together to help the EMBERHORN conquer mud, sand, snow, and rocky landscapes with confidence. Despite its immense size and capability, Toyota engineers have focused on delivering a driving experience that remains surprisingly refined and predictable. As for pricing, the 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 656 is expected to occupy the premium end of the market. Industry estimates suggest a starting price well above conventional pickup trucks, reflecting its specialized engineering, advanced technology, and exclusive nature. While it won't be a vehicle for everyone, it's designed for buyers seeking something truly extraordinary. The 2026 Toyota EMBERHORN 656 represents more than just another truck. It's a statement of capability, innovation, and adventure for those who dream of going beyond the limits of ordinary vehicles. This six-wheeled powerhouse could be one of the most exciting off-road machines of the decade.